Fireworks are fun, but if you're not careful, they can also be very dangerous. Here are some tips to keep all the fun without the danger. A good place to start is by knowing what kind of firework you have. Each firework should have a label on it giving safety instructions on how to light it. Make sure to read those before you light it. Only light fireworks outside in an area clear of buildings, cars, trees, and other people. Sometimes it's hard to control where a firework will explode. Fireworks can be unpredictable, so don't hold them when you light them off and don't carry them in your pocket. You never know when they might. Because of how unpredictable fireworks can be, only an adult should always be the one who lights them off. One thing that doesn't mix with fireworks: alcohol. You want to have a clear mind when using fireworks to make sure everyone is safe. When you've found a clear area and you're ready to start the show, only light one firework off at a time. Keep the fun in fireworks. Be safe this summer.